This is Swipe Right on Sexual Health.
In this series, we're exploring essential sexual and reproductive health terms we believe everyone should know about. From chemsex and U equals U to the orgasm gap, consent, and many more. Our goal is to provide reliable, evidence-based information about sexual health for young people everywhere.
What comes to mind when you hear the term orgasm gap, if that's something you've heard before?
I actually haven't heard that term before.
Had you not heard that term?
No, I have not.
If I had to guess, I guess maybe just like the gap between like the two partners having orgasms.
So, have you noticed, or do you notice that some groups of people tend to have more positive or pleasurable experiences with sex than others?
Yeah, I mean, I feel like there's a conception that, like, for example, like men tend to have like a better experience. I feel like I hear that like come up a lot.
How there's a gap between the amount of orgasms that men have during sex typically and women have. I think kind of just due to like a lack of knowledge about female pleasure and also like a lack of effort sometimes from like male partners, just not really putting in that extra effort to make a woman complete, like especially because it's more complicated than it can be for men.
It classically applies to heterosexual couples to highlight the disparity in orgasm rates between men and women. Do you see these terms frequently on social media, and have you come across certain terms more than others?
I've seen a lot of like TikToks about aftercare, so I've seen that.
Amazing.
The other terms, no, not really.
Now that you know a little bit more about the definitions of these terms, do you think you'd feel more comfortable approaching conversations about sex?
Yeah, definitely.
We hope this discussion helped you reflect on these important terms and how they shape our experiences and understanding of sex. And if you want to learn more, be sure to check out our glossary and stay tuned for more content on our social media pages. This has been Swipe Right on Sexual Health. How much do you know about sex?